Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to show you an Amazon haul, a little Amazon haul, and something I made. So first, starting off with my coffee, and this is I have two of these cups and they're absolutely my favorite. And it's got sugar-free Italian cream in it. It's very good. So let's take a quick drink. Yum. I want to start putting some stuff away, so I'm going to show you my Amazon haul. First, I ordered these. I found these on Amazon, and it comes with the twine, but I liked it because it had the bunnies, the beads, everything in them. I thought they were so cute. I cannot wait to play with these. And these were bought throughout last month and a half or so. I didn't buy them all at once. Plus I returned a few things, and I got some credits back. Next thing I ordered was this kit, alphabet kit. That way I can, they're all in their own individual packages, and I thought it was a good deal. They all come in their own little squares, and that's what I really like. Plus it has numbers on this side and here. So there's that. Next thing I ordered was this tool because I open split rings, because those hold more secure than anything else. So I got a pair of those. I like the fact that it says made in the USA. I like that. Okay, so and the next thing I got was this cute die, and it's just some birds. You can like put on a flip tag, ATC, whatever. So it was like $4 or $5. So I had ordered that. Move this to the side. Next thing I ordered were these wire guardians. I want to start making some keychains, and it's easier to have wire guardians. I cannot find mine anywhere, so they're the wire guardians so that the wire can stay intact and not break. So I got some of those. I was hoping they'd come in a little container, but they didn't, so I'm gonna have to find one somewhere. Next thing I got were these heart beads. I still am crafting Valentine's Day. I'm really behind, but I feel that hearts you can use any time of the year. Pink is my favorite color, so there's that. Those were like $4 something. And then I got these cute beads. I thought they were adorable. Super cute. Came in a kit. Very shiny. Next thing I ordered were these. These I could put on pins or snake bracelets. And you could put the charm on the end, like that. So yeah, I got this one. And then I ordered this heart punch. I've already used it, and I cut out a heart with it to show you. That's what it looks like. Really good size. I think it's 3 inches. So I wanted that in my stash, and I got a good deal on it. Got that from Amazon. So I'm going to show you something I made with another haul I did with Scrap Diva 29. So I took these dies I bought from Scrap Diva 29, and there's a Cupid one in here. Okay, so I took one of these I got from the Dollar Tree from my last haul, And I ordered these flags from Scrap Diva 29. I will link her channel down below. And I cut out this Cupid, and then I cut out the blank one. And I'll show you what I made. Some of these are just blank. So I made Cupid. I'm going to need to put something on the bottom of that. And I used the Cricut Joy card set. I used some of that, and I just put sweet and I cut out a little heart. What I did is I took my punches and I punched out a bunch of stuff with all my different punches. Just with my scrap paper, so I'm not wasting all of it. And I made butterflies, hearts, leaves, you know, stuff I can put on ATCs or as embellishments to whatever. So that's what I did. I just put them in this plastic baggie for now. And so I put the little heart there. And then some of it still has, I've been fighting with the glue, but there's a heart there. I'm going to attach them to cards. There's that. And there's that. And this. I didn't put nothing on the bottom there, but I will. And I put a heart there. And I doubled it up. I love the stitching on here. There's the punch butterfly. And here's this one with some cute paper. And then I put a heart on the bottom, butterfly, and it says Cupid. Here is this. I thought this was pretty. Look how it sparkles. And I want to, like I said, I was going to tape it to a card. I'm going to put something on the end so they don't poke. And this one says friend. So yeah, that's what I made with those dies. They're very easy. I still have more. I used up a package, but I wanted to show you what they look like. So that's what I made there. And then I forgot one more thing from Amazon. I have this, and it says, many women do noble things, but you surpass them all. And it's Proverbs 31:29, and it's just a blank. And I'm going to start writing Proverbs to memorize, prayers, something. I gotta start doing things. So yeah, so that's my Amazon haul. That's what I made with Scrap Diva's flags. I hope you like what you saw. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And share me out if you can, and tell people and your friends about me. All right, take care. Stay safe, everyone. God bless. Bye.